Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily edit a note on your Bitwarden on PC. So as you guys can see, I have the note right here. It's called important stuff. Now, if you want to edit this, then we want to click on the pen right here at the bottom, or we want to right click with our mouse on the note and then click on edit. As you guys can see, I can change the item name, I can change the folder, and I can change the additional options. So here we have a note for a note. So here I can, let's say, type hard reset. Now I can change the folder to this one, and we can change the name to note number 1. Then after we're done, we can click on save. And as you guys can see, now the note's completely changed. And we can check that it's not in the hard reset info folder, it's in this folder right here. So that's basically how you guys can do that. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.